In this video, we're making a delicious and health-boosting drink, Ginger and Turmeric Fizz, using the Smeg Soda Maker. Packed with antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties, this drink is as refreshing as it is good for you. Let's get started. First, let's create our sparkling base. With the Smeg Soda Maker, you can easily carbonate chilled water to your preferred level of fizz. Just fill the bottle, attach it, and turn the dial to carbonate. Now let's build the flavour. Start with 1 tablespoon of ginger steeped in warm water and strained. Ginger is brilliant for digestion and adds a nice spicy kick. Next, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Next, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It brightens up the flavours and adds a nice dose of vitamin C. If you like a hint of sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. This balances the flavour beautifully. Strain the mixture into the glass filled with ice, then top it with our freshly made carbonated water for that crisp, refreshing fizz. Give it a gentle stir, then garnish with fresh mint for a cooling finish. And there you have it, a ginger turmeric fizz, made effortlessly with our Smeg Soda Maker. It's the perfect blend of wellness and refreshment. The Smeg Soda Maker isn't just for cocktails, it's perfect for healthy homemade drinks too. If you'd like to see more drinks made with our Smeg Soda Maker, please check out our other videos.